Today we're talking about the Chennai Super Kings, a team that is not very liked by me and not liked by a lot of opposition fans, but their own fans love them a lot, and everybody who loves Mahendra Singh Dhoni, kahin na kahin, they also support Chennai Super Kings. But Chennai Super Kings उनके बारे में क्या बोल सकते हैं आप? 5 टाइम चैंपियंस, 12 टाइम playoffs में qualify कर चुके. Number of memories with these guys. They have won like some of the greatest players that you've seen play the game, like Matthew Hayden थे उनके पास. At one time, that Faf du Plessis, who had a stellar career at Chennai Super Kings. Dhoni himself, coming to, I don't know if it is the last time, because according to the T-shirt that he wore, it mentioned by one last time. But if it is his last time, then what a stellar career that he's had or is having still. Um, Yes, Al, again, they've had a very strong team. They have a good balance there as well, a mix of international and domestic talent. I think it's a solid team. स्पिन के बारे में क्या ही बोल सकते हैं आप, जब आपके पास रविंद्र जडेजा है, रविचंद्रन अश्विन है, नूर अहमद है. नूर अहमद क्या एडिशन है भाई, ये बंदा, लाइक वीव सीन हिम grow leaps and bounds. गुजरात टाइटंस में थे, एंड द वे ही यूज्ड टू परफॉर्म एट द नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम. आप जब चेपक पे आएंगे और वो जो विकेट आपके प्लेयर्स को हेल्प करेगी, particularly the spinners, then it's going to just be a wicket mania over there. Ruturaj Gaikwad, coming back as captain, 18 crore retention, a little bit of pressure on him to perform. Obviously, as captain, he needs to step up. Last season also, they could have qualified, but unfortunately, 110 wala infamous chakka tha, went out of the Chinnaswamy, but then, Ristal getting a little bit of a different kind of ball, less, a little bit drier, and able to grip it, and Dhoni not able to doing what Dhoni does best is finish. Chennai Super Kings again ये साल मैं जैसा बता रहा हूँ आपको, they've got Sam Curran in the mix, they've got Jamie Overton, Nathan Ellis, Noor Ahmed. They've just bought something crazy at the auction. And Sam Curran जिस तरीके का प्लेयर है, आपको ऑलराउंडिंग एबिलिटी दे देगा. नेथन एलिस भी थोड़े बहुत बैट कर लेते हैं, तो बॉलिंग उनकी बहुत जबरदस्त है. अगर वो रुक रुक के उनका बॉल आए, सब चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी में देखे, तो ही विल बी वन टू डेफिनेटली वॉच. और जेमी ओवरटन को अभी हम लोग इंग्लैंड वर्सेस इंडिया में देखे थे. ही कैन बोल, ही कैन बैट एज वेल, ही गॉट गुड वेरिएशंस एज वेल. इंडियन कंटिजेंट में अगर आप देखो बैटिंग वाइज, देव गॉट दीपक हुडा, देव गॉट विजय शंकर, एंड देव गॉट राहुल त्रिपाठी. नाउ सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ प्लेयर्स, in terms of their stats, I'm saying उतने ज्यादा runs नहीं मारे, but if one of them can have, if Vijay Shankar can have that, जो उन्होंने गुजरात टाइटंस में करा था, अगर वैसा सीजन अगर 100 थाला दे दिया, या राहुल त्रिपाठी जो कभी कभी सनराइजर्स में झलकियां दिखाते थे, अगर वो वाला सीजन मिल गया, या दीपक हुडा एलएलजी में कभी कभी आके 6 नंबर पे कुछ कर जाता, वैसा वाला सीजन मिल जाता, या सो धोनी is that kind of a person. Though he's not the captain, he gets the best out of the players. And obviously जब थाला बोलेंगे या कुछ भी बोलेंगे, तो पत्थर की लकीर हो जाती चेन्नई में. तो वो हिसाब से अगर आप देखो, धोनी के अंडर ये 3 प्लेयर में से किसका भी एक बेहतरीन IPL चले गया, then again you will be like, अरे धोनी the mastermind kind of a situation. अब now look at the other foreigners that they had. Devon Conway है उनके पास. They've got Achin Ravindra over there. So that's another kind. And then add Noor Ahmed, and you add Sam Curran or Nathan Ellis, and then you got a solid foreign lineup right now here as well. So in terms of unknown talent, you could say Andre Siddharth is someone that I'm looking at. Andre Siddharth का नाम काफी domestic circuit में आया ये साल भी. Shivam Dube, I mean, we know what he's done in the Ranji Trophy in the side Mustaq Ali this time around, so he's going to be good to see. Anshul Kamboj भी उनके पास. So all in all, Chennai have gone in and just bought certain players that will restore their balance. Look at Ashwin, he gives you with the bat, but what he can do at Chennai, man, like that's his hometown. He's returning back as a local hero. Rajasthan में थे last season, and this time he's back. So they've done certain very good business. They can play a number of combinations. If you look at their probable 11s, like if we just try to make a probable 11 here, you can go to Ruturaj Gaikwad, Devon Conway on top, or you can also go Rachin Ravindra if you want. Then Rachin Ravindra one out. That if I'm putting Devon Conway with Gaikwad, then you got Rahul Tripathi, right? Then you've got if you want to play Deepak Huda, you can play Deepak Huda. You can then play Shivam Dube, Ravindra Jadeja, ML Dhoni. You could play Ashwin. You could play Sam Curran or a Noor Ahmed, depending on the situation, and a Khalil Ahmed and a Matisha Patirana could come in as your impact sub. So that could be one option if you want to play more batting heavy, right? If you want to play more, bowling heavy, then you can switch it around as well. So there are a lot of combinations and permutations जो बना सकते हैं आप with a Chennai Super King. देखो playoffs के लिए I will keep them for sure. I mean, there's no way this time around, if it is MS Dhoni's last, and given the fact that Gaikwad also has a bit of tenuity now, 1 साल हो गया उनको चेन्नई सुपर किंग लीड करते करते, तो उधर थोड़ी एक्सपीरियंस आ गई. और जो आपके पास प्लेयर्स आए हैं, लाइक आई मेंशन अश्विन, आई मेंशन नूर, आई मेंशन सैम करन, आई मेंशन नेथन एल्स, तो ये लोग दे मेक इट मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर दिस टाइम अराउंड. can definitely make a lot of changes in this team. You have a very good squad. You have flexibility over there. Um, Now, situation के हिसाब से आप, you can play, like I said, Sam Curran or a Pati Rana, or you can play an Ellis, or you can play Noor Ahmed, acquired name faster pitches, a flatter track, say you can get someone else in there. You've got Rachin Ravindra as an all-round option. You got a Ravindra Jadeja as an all-round option. So all-rounder heavy है यहाँ पे. विजय शंकर भी डालते हैं थोड़ी बहुत, I think, but not that consistent in the IPL. And like I said, अगर विजय शंकर, दीपक हुडा और इसका राहुल त्रिपाठी का एक proper season आ गया, then you will definitely see like Chennai का again towards the playoffs, and probably potentially another six title possibility. Uh, Again, another player to watch out, Shivam Dubey. Like I mentioned, he's had a fantastic domestic season. Smat में भी फोड़ दे रहा था, कर दे रहा था मुंबई के लिए. खलील अहमद भी है उनके पास, इंडियन बॉलर. अगर आप देखो, खलील अहमद has been bowling very well. I mean, he can be wavered at times, but under Dhoni, under Gaikwad, in that Chennai camp, they have all peaceful kind of players. Like उनका जो mindset है more family oriented है. The owner does not very does not pressurize that much. So, and everything is in the control of the captain and Dhoni. So, वो हिसाब से I think this team has incredible balance. You can make a lot of combinations. You can make a lot of changes. And then, yeah, if you also want to play Anshul Kamboj and Mukesh Chaudhary, either one of them you can play. So there are a lot of combinations that you can do. And yeah, so this was my assessment. I feel like this team, again, you can keep them on an 8.5 out of a 10. And Chennai Super Kings might make the playoff this time around, and for sure they could win it. So stay tuned for the next team. Chennai Super Kings ka bhi kar diya. We'll go on to the next team, and hopefully you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join us for the IPL, because it's going to be one hell of a ride.